Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning. We are learning chapter 9 economics of standard 12, that is foreign trade, and this is our second lecture. Now, in second lecture we are going to know about the difference between domestic trade and international trade. Earlier we have completed about the meaning of trade, about the domestic trade, about the international trade, and what are the reasons for international trade. So these were the four topics which we have completed in our lecture 1. If you have not watched, please watch that particular video and then continue with the second lecture. Now, in this particular lecture 2, we are going to know in detail the difference between the domestic trade as well as the international trade. So very first difference comes on the base of scales. When we talk about scales, it is the area, or it is, we can say, in what kind of production and what kind of area it has been occupied. So when we talk about domestic trade is nothing but, we can say, it is a trade activity which is done within the country, that is from one state to another state, whereas international trade is a trading activity which has been done of from one country to another country, or one country to so many other countries, we can say. So here the trading activity is done for the goods and services, from the different kinds of goods, services, capital, technology, know-how, or we can say some of the various intellectual things also. So this particular things helps one country to another country, they help each other and they gain what they require. They gain what are the things which are not able to produce in their own country. So this is how they try to go with exchanging of goods and services here. Clear? So very first is the base of scale. When we talk about domestic, let me suppose we talk about India. So India is our home country, and it is when goods are being transported from one state to another state, it is called domestic trade. So area or scale wise, we find that country which is limited with its own boundaries are having less scale, or not much scale as compared to the international trade. Whereas international trade, you find that here we find that it is moving from one country to another country, not only in one country to another country, but another countries, बहुत सारी कंट्री में जाता है, और इसका स्केल लार्ज स्केल में होता है. वेराइटीज ऑफ प्रोडक्शन कैन बी डन. यू फाइंड दैट इट्स different kinds of goods, different tastes, different preferences, everything should be matter, because from country to country the taste and preference are been changing up. So it has been producing on a large scale with different varieties of goods and services. Second is talking about your बेस्ड ऑन करेंसी एंड मोड्स ऑफ पेमेंट. तो पहला डिफरेंस के अंदर हमने क्या देखा कि डोमेस्टिक ट्रेड विद इन द कंट्री रहता है, इस वजह से इट इज नॉट मच लार्जर, और इट इज स्मॉलर, और इट इज नॉट मच एज लार्ज एज द इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड. और उसको दूसरी तरह में बोलना है तो इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड इज मच लार्जर कंपेयर टू द डोमेस्टिक ट्रेड, एंड देयर आर वेराइटीज ऑफ गुड्स विच आर बीन प्रोड्यूस्ड इंटरनेशनली compared to the domestic. So this is what we find in the first point. Second point, based on the currencies. So different countries are having different currencies if you try to trade from country to country. So foreign trade के अंदर you find that there are different currencies which are available. But when we talk about your home country, so there is only one kind of currency which has been exchanged. So goods and services are exchanged on behalf of the home सेम कंट्री. सो एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट जाएंगे तो डॉलर नहीं बदल जाएगा, नहीं तो रुपीज नहीं बदल जाएगा. इट रिमेन्स द सेम फॉर द सेम कंट्री. सो वी फाइंड दैट द currencies which are being used in domestic is domestic currency, that is their own particular country currency which is being used, and it is easy for transferring money from one bank to another bank or from one account to another account. When we talk international trading, foreign trade की बात करेंगे तो it moves from one country to another country, but there are certain complications because other country currencies are different. So other country currencies are different, that creates what we have to measure, that what is the exchange rate, what exchange rate we have to pay, what is the current price, what is the market price of that particular dollar, or we can say, because internationally accepted money is dollar. So if you want to trade, if you want to do trading activity, you should know the dollar prices, and in case some of the places dollar is not accepted, you have to pay them in their own currencies. So for that different procedures you have to follow, and then after bank to bank letter of credit everything should be given, and afterwards from one country to another country the money is been transferred and it is been exchanged in their own country. Normally डॉलर में सब कुछ होता है और डॉलर से पेमेंट होता है. Now coming to the mode of payment, payment is done in dollars. Most probably internationally accepted money is dollars. So there are several procedures, clearing procedures are there, letter of credit are required. So ये सब documents important है when you try to go for we can say international trade. But when we talk about domestic, it is very easy. Directly you can pay and it is in the home country itself. So you can give a good amount, means a better connection. You know the country, you know the place, you know the company very well, so you can be comfortable. So it is much easy and the money transaction comes very easily. Then based on languages, culture and society, suppose when we talk about goods which are produced and sell in India are based on the people, people locality, people religion, people society and the culture which has been there. So उसके बेस पे प्रोडक्ट बनता है और उसके बेस पे वो प्रोडक्ट they try to sell it. Now same way when we try to go with another country and our country religion, culture, language, everything is different. So for that time we have to think properly, we have to observe that particular economy मतलब मैं country की बात कर रहा हूँ. So that particular economic country you have to observe, you have to know the taste and preference, you have to know the which particular product is been demanded, you should know that which type of taste and taste is been available and you have to make it in that particular manner. So this particular things, some of the research work you have to do when you are trying to trading of goods when you are doing from one country to another country. So again second main thing is that you find that different class of people which are been living, you should go with some of the appropriate words or some of the proper words which does not make a wrong sense. कहने का मतलब कि when we are going with for example लैटिन, यूरोप है तो यूरोप के अंदर जो डिफरेंट वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं वो वर्ड्स किसी को हर्ट नहीं करने चाहिए, वैसे वर्ड्स यू हैव टू यूज, not the particular, because in home country the Hindi language is there for our country, so we try to use Hindi language. But when we go with foreign countries we cannot use Hindi language, so our slogans which have been converted into their language, it should not create any wrong meaning, so that should be there. So because of language problem, so language plays an important role. You have to make a product and it should be understandable by them in their own language, तो वो चीज़ मेंटेन करना होता है. सो इट बिकम्स अ बिग हेक्टिक वर्ड we can say. Again, if some of the words became wrong and the meaning comes wrong, we find that the controversies, it can create controversies between the countries. So वो चीज़ ज़्यादा ध्यान प्रिकॉशन लेना होता है when we are trading from one country to another country and we are making goods and writing in the different countries language. चलो, then we find that we have to understand the lifestyle of the people of that particular country and उसके बेस पे ही goods बना के sold करने हैं. Clear? Fourth point, based on transportation cost. Now what is transportation cost? Transportation cost is moving from the goods which are moving from one place to another place. It can be moved with the help of we can say roadways, airways or railways we can say. But when we try to go with international trade, it can move with the help of marine ways, that is seaways. So here the transportation cost may be cheaper as well as we can say higher. So but when we talk from one country to another country, it is always higher. Within the country के अंदर क्या है, रोडवेज है या रेलवेज है, उससे easily हम ट्रांसपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. But when you're going to trade with the other countries, you have to go with airways or sea routes. Yes or no? So इसके बेस पे the cost of transportation becomes higher in the international trade and cost of transportation cost becomes lesser in the domestic trade. That is a simple thing which you understand and easily have. Then comes based on degree of competition. Now when we talk of degree of competition, what is competition? You find that locally अगर हम डोमेस्टिक ट्रेड की बात करें तो डोमेस्टिक ट्रेड के अंदर For example, let's talk about the mopeds. We find we have mopeds like Activa, Suzuki, yeah. So different companies, Hero company moped is there. So you find that different companies mopeds are there and they try to compete here in India. सो सेम वे यहाँ पे बाहर से भी डिफरेंट कंपनीज है जैसे सुजुकी इज नॉट इंडियन कंपनी होंडा इज नॉट इंडियन कंपनी बट हीरो इज इंडियन कंपनी टीवीएस इन इंडियन कंपनी so वो लोग they try to compete with the foreign countries this particular bikes though the production is done here in India but originally it is owned by the Japanese that is Honda and Suzuki. So based on competition foreign countries have involved much more in our country after the 1991 economic reform or industrialization policy. So we find that there are different setups which are been there. तो यहाँ पे डोमेस्टिकली अगर हम ट्रेड करने की बात करें तो कंपटीशन बहुत कम है बिकॉज इसको प्रोड्यूस करने वाले हीरो एंड टीवीएस ही है लेकिन बाहर से डिफरेंट कंट्रीज आ रही है वो यहाँ पे आके सेटअप करिए अपना मार्केट एंड देयर कंपटीशन इंक्रीजेस. So degree of competition we find that it is relatively lesser within the own country, within the own companies. डोमेस्टिक कंट्रीज के कंपनीज के बीच में कंपटीशन कम रहता है बट जब इंटरनेशनल कंपनीज कम्स इन आवर कंट्री इन द होस्ट कंट्री एंड वो कॉम्पीट करता है तो कंपटीशन बिकम्स मोर. सो हियर द फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन टेक्नोलॉजी एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम वन कंट्री बिकम्स लेसर एंड वो कॉमन होता है. इसकी वजह से यहाँ पे ज़्यादा कंपनीज ना हो तो कंपटीशन कम रहेगा, ज़्यादा कंपनीज रहेगी तो कंपटीशन ज़्यादा होगी. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट व्हेन डज दिस पर्टिकुलर कंपनीज विल इंक्रीज सम ऑफ द फॉरेन कंपनीज कम जैसे कार कंपनी की बात कर लो. सो वी फाइंड दैट व्हेन इंडिया वॉज ओनली प्रोड्यूसिंग इंडियन कार्स एंड वॉज रेस्ट्रिक्टेड उन लोग ने रेस्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया था. एक टाइम था जहाँ पे उन लोग ने सिर्फ इंडियन कार्स को अलाउ किया था एंड बाहर फॉरेन की कोई भी कार नहीं चाहिए थी. So that is a time of after independence. So that time what we find that only few cars which are been running and the competition was very low. But when they allowed foreign companies to enter into the car manufacturing countries in India, you find that there are so many different companies came with different models of cars and now the competition which we see in today's life is much more faster, rapid than the प्रीवियस वन. सो जब रेस्ट्रिक्शन हटा दिया तब फॉरेन कंपनीज आ गए एंड फॉरेन कंपनीज के साथ compete करने लग गए. सो द डिग्री ऑफ competition इन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड और एज पर द इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड द मार्केट becomes more and more vast and the competition becomes more and more keen. So you find that same product हो लेकिन different countries के प्रोडक्शन आके यहाँ पे आ गए तो the consumer has a good amount of choice and we find that the consumer has variety of we can say goods. So there will be always competition and there will be always selling cost which is been done to sell that particular product. We have learned this particular thing in markets अगर इकोनॉमिक्स के अंदर याद करो तो मार्केट्स के अंदर हमने देखा है कि कैसे मोनोपोलिस्टिक एंड ओलिगोपोली मार्केट के अंदर सेलिंग कॉस्ट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू सेल दैट पर्टिकुलर goods. So this is what we require because of competition, because of more number of sellers and buyers. Now based on consumer satisfaction, now goods which are been produced, जो goods बनाते हैं वो consumer satisfaction होने चाहिए तो ही वो वहाँ पे sell होगा, yes or no? So we find that in domestically we can satisfy our consumer because we know that we are the citizen of that particular country and some of the different changes we can make, state by state changes बना देंगे, कल्चर वाइज डिफरेंट चेंजेस हम बना सकते हैं. बट वेन वी टॉक अबाउट इंटरनेशनल फॉरेन कंट्रीज इट बिकम्स मच मोर टफर बिकॉज their lifestyle, their culture, their tradition, their different expectations are not been matched. So उसको मैच करने के लिए we have to produce some of the common which has been सबके लिए common बना सके and then after some of the few changes which has been done accordingly. So after the survey, a big research survey, a market survey is been done and then after different kinds of products are been prepared. Clear? So this particular we can say competition or consumer satisfaction is been done very easily in our country or in the home country or same country. But when we talk about countries to countries and differs, it becomes relatively more difficult than the domestic trade. सो इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड और फॉरेन ट्रेड के अंदर ये सेट कंज्यूमर सेटिस्फेक्शन लाना एक बहुत बड़ा काम है और उसके लिए बहुत मेहनत चाहिए. एंड you find that this particular satisfactory is not, it cannot be bring easily. You have to research so much. Clear? So buyers, we have to focus on the buyers and the behavior of the buyers, because economy is the study of human behavior. So you have to study in detail about the behavior of this particular buyers, and then after you have to make some production accordingly. Then consumer behavior is predictable. We can, so conclusion, it has been told that consumer behavior is been predictable in Indian company, or we can, so not Indian company but in the home country, that is domestic trade, and it is not easily predictable in the international trade. So foreign countries के बारे में हमको ज़्यादा knowledge चाहिए उसके लिए. Then based on last topic comes based on administrative and legal system. Now administrative and legal system talks about the government and the government procedures and some of the laws and rules and regulations of the particular country. So domestically, when you're having your own company within your home country मतलब खुद की कंट्री के अंदर तुम लोग की कंपनी है, तो क्या होगा? The administrative, the legal system, everything is known very easily, and you have completed some of that particular legal procedure, and then only you have set up your company. You have learned in OCM कि लास्ट ईयर के अंदर कि सेटअप करने के लिए यू हैव टू गो विद डिफरेंट रूल्स रेगुलेशंस एंड एवरीथिंग शुड बी मेंशन इन मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन एंड आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन. सो वो सब कुछ हमको पता है, इवन सम ऑफ द लॉज वी नो. बट कमिंग टू दी foreign countries, we have to take permissions, we have to follow all the rules and regulations and laws of the foreign countries. We have to see whether any law or any rule is not break. So उसको system को समझने के लिए it takes difficult time, it takes long period of time, and after that we find that trading is been possible. So there should be an understanding, there should be a knowing of the foreign countries rules, regulations, everything, and the legal procedures. And apart from that we should not go above or beyond their laws. नहीं तो वो हमारे लाइसेंस कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो हमारे साथ वो लीगली वॉर, नहीं तो डिफरेंट कुछ अनबन हो सकती है. सो वी हैव टू गो दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग सेफली. सो सम ऑफ द प्लेसेस, सम ऑफ द गुड्स आर नॉट वी कैन से प्रोहिबिटेड और इट इज बीन बैंड, तो उसको लेके हम नहीं जा सकते और नहीं डाल सकते. क्लियर? हमारे प्रोडक्ट के अंदर. So this is what administrative and legal system which are being very easy or relatively lesser in our own country, but it is more and compact and complex in foreign country. So this were the 7 points, but ये points लिखने से हमको याद रहेंगे, but for that I made a small summary chart so that we can easily remember and we can easily write down. But you have to write in this particular paragraph, or else you can write down in a short note also. Again, there are some points which are made 9 points, that is points domestic trade and international trade. Very first, when you are going to write difference between, you should know the meaning. So very first, start always with the meaning, that trading activity. What is domestic trade? Activity of trading or activity of trade which takes place within the geographical boundaries of the country, that is called what? Domestic trade. Whereas international trade, activity of trade which takes place outside the geographical boundaries. मतलब हमारे बाउंड्री से बाहर उसको बोलेंगे इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड, नहीं तो फॉरेन ट्रेड. व्हाट आर द अदर नेम्स फॉर द डोमेस्टिक ट्रेड इज द इंटरनल ट्रेड एंड द नेशनल ट्रेड. whereas for the other name for the international trade, that is we find that external trade and foreign trade. Now this 7 points are written here down. So very first 2 points में मैंने एक general meaning and उसका other names cover up कर दिया, so that my points becomes increase. Then comes the scale. So when we talk about the scale, now you are able to see. When we talk about the scale in domestic trade, the scale of trade is smaller compared to the international trade. And when we talk about the scale in international trade, the scale of international trade is larger than the domestic, because domestically हम हमारी बाउंड्री geographical boundaries के अंदर ही ट्रेडिंग एक्टिविटी करेंगे, लेकिन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड के अंदर, फॉरेन ट्रेड के अंदर we try to contact with different countries and we try to do trading activities. So the area becomes more, the market capturization becomes more. So this is how we try to enter into the global market. Then the different currency and वी फाइंड दैट मोड ऑफ पेमेंट, सो करेंसीज रिमेन सेम. रुपीज अगर इंडिया के अंदर ट्रेड करो तो रुपीज रहेगा, अमेरिका के अंदर ट्रेड करो तो डॉलर रहेगा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अंदर करोगे तो ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर्स रहेंगे. सो डिफरेंट प्लेसेस डिफरेंट करेंसीज आर देयर एंड उसके हिसाब से वो होगा. सो वी फाइंड दैट currencies and mode of payment are similar in their own country, but it is different in the foreign country. So currencies and mode of payment are different country to country. वो लोग international money, that in international standard money, that is they accept in dollars, or else they accept in their own home country or in their own country currencies. लैंग्वेज की बात करें, लैंग्वेज कल्चर एंड सोसाइटी की बात करें, तो डोमेस्टिक ट्रेड के अंदर सब कुछ सिमिलर कॉमन है. यस, there is a common social cultural language which is being used और वो easily acceptable है. Whereas when we talk about the international, there are different languages, अलग अलग countries के अलग अलग languages, अलग अलग cultures रहते हैं, अलग अलग society peoples, and the mindset is different. So there are different controversies can be created. So we have to use appropriate words for our product, we have to use appropriate words for our slogan, we have to see what kind of ingredients which are being used by us, is it restricted or prohibited there or not. So ये सब चीज़ें मिलके हमको प्रोडक्ट बनाने हैं एंड वी ट्राई टू एक्सपोर्ट और डू ट्रेडिंग एक्टिविटी. देन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट, सिंपल सी बात है, विद इन द कंट्री ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज ईजी विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिफरेंट मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. बट when we talk about the transportation cost, moving from goods from one country to another country, it takes a larger period of time and good amount of distance which has been there, so it is more obviously. Degree of competition is lesser. अगर हम टी की बात कर ले, यहाँ पे उस टाइम पे मैंने मोपेड बोला था, अगर टी की बात कर ले तो टी, there are few companies which are there, or we can say so many companies locally or available for us for the tea manufacturing, और वो टी कंपनी कॉम्पिटिट करती है. लेकिन बाहर के अगर वो टी कंपनी आ जाए विच कॉम्पीट विथ, द कॉम्पिटिशन बिकम्स मोर एंड मोर हायर. सो डिग्री ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन इज लेसर फॉर द ओन domestic companies, and competition becomes more when the foreign companies enter into and compete with the domestic companies. Then consumer satisfaction here, the expectation and predictions and expectations of consumers are met easily, and it can be easily predictable because for the home country it is not much complex. But when we talk about foreign countries, we have to research and we have to understand the foreign countries. So consumer expectation सब जगह के कंट्रीज टू कंट्रीज डिफर करेंगे, और उसको डिफिकल्ट बनाते हुए हमको काम नहीं करना, उसको इजी बनाते हुए हमको सेटिस्फाई करना है उन सबको. देन वी फाइंड दैट लास्ट वन, दैट इज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एंड लीगल सिस्टम. सो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लीगल सिस्टम के अंदर क्या हो रहा है कि द लॉज, गवर्नमेंट लॉज, लीगल सिस्टम्स मीन्स लॉज वगैरह, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव मतलब गवर्नमेंट, तो ये सब चीज़ सिमिलर है हमारे लिए बिकॉज वी हैव सेट अप अ कंपनी. वेयर एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लीगल सिस्टम्स बिकम्स डिफरेंट इन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज. You are selling your products in USA, you are selling your products in Europe, you are selling your products in Australia, you are selling your products in Japan. So every country has their own laws and regulations and admin work. So all the countries are having different work, and उसको बनाने के लिए there are different associations are there. So वो चीज़ हमको समझ के ट्रेडिंग एक्टिविटी करनी है. यहाँ पे एक और चीज़ आता है, ब्रिक्स. So BRICS is an organization where 5 countries together they try to go trading activity between them. वैसे ही बहुत सारी country के association है, and some of the excise duties are which are been there where the trading activities is being done from one country to another country. So this is how we find that our difference between the domestic trade and international trade completes here. You find any doubt, any problem, you can just call or message me. अगर ऐसा हो तो you can write down in the comment section, you can write down in the comment section that what are the points which you didn't understood. It is all together, it is very easy. You find any difference, you can write down this type of difference between also, but ये short लगेगा, उससे थोड़ा explain करके लिखना, clear? Or else it is okay. You can write down for 3 marks, you can write down for 3 marks, you can write down 6 points or 7 points. 5 marks you have to little bit explain more, nothing apart. Thank you.